Beautiful Capricorns, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thank you for joining me here. Let's see what the general energy is today. Capricorn. Thank you so much, guys, for all your contributions, your likes, your comments, your subscriptions. Guys, whoa. This year is starting off powerful, I'm telling you. Forest Temple, Enlightenment, Transmuting, Phoenix from the Ashes, Moonlight Enchantment, Magic, oh, this is about Thicket of Thorns, uncertainty. Let's see. Let's carry on. Protection. Spirit Guardian of Winter. What's going on here? There's protection all around your home. I want clarification of this before I go any further. Tell me about this moonlight magic. What's this moonlight magic all about? I told you, your angels got you encompassed, like in this sphere of protection. It's like a dome, a protection dome. Tell me about this moonlight magic. Oh. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Someone's longing for you. There's uncertainty here. If you were uncertain, if someone was longing for you, they are. What? Hang on. Yes, they are. Moonlight magic. Somebody could be doing some kind of binding spells. What's this all about? The King of Pentacles. They ain't letting you go. That's what's going on. This came out in the Sagittarius read. Somebody's just not letting you go. They are... No, what are they doing? They would hurt anybody to be with you. They love you. Someone's in love with you. They would hurt this other lover to be with you. They would. They're thinking about you. They'd risk it all to have this 10 of Cups with you. I don't know, did this person set a New Year's resolution or something? I put a spell on you because you're mine. We'll fight for this. to fight for this Four of Wands. They will. I think this person can't stop thinking about you. Oh, I told you. They can't stop thinking about you. What's on their brain? The Hierophant, the Ace of Pentacles, second chances. I put a spell on you because you're mine. That's what they're saying. You better watch out. I ain't lying. That's an Emperor. That's what they're saying. I asked what this moonlight magic was. They could be doing spell work. Love spells. If you're thinking about them, it's because they're thinking about you. And if you're thinking about them all the time, it's because they're thinking about you all the time. I put a spell on you because you're mine. They know what they want. That's what I want. What I really, really want is Capricorn. That's what they want. Spell work does not have to be pulling out, potions and all that stuff. It could just be thought. Heavy thought. We are the champions. They want to win. I want a chance to correct something. You could have inspired this person. You could have been their guide. Look, this is the musician. They could be a songwriter. You could have done a duet with this person for all I know. They could be a poet. They might be like... They could be a musician. You could be a musician. They're a great storyteller. They could be a writer, a song or a musician or a songwriter, or you could be. Somebody wants to make beautiful music with you. Yes, yes, yes. is the legacy. Catch your breath. Oh boy, Capricorn. New experiences and new possibilities. A renewal of peace, laughter, hope, and happiness. Come on now. You are worth it. Let's get you some abundance on this. The power of peace. A windfall of abundance. The power of prayer. Give this situation to God for uplifting and healing and be open to miracles. Heaven's unlimited resources, love, and answers are awaiting your prayers. Be sure to act upon the divine guidance God gives you in response to your prayers. An increase of abundance is arriving in many different forms, some of them unexpected. Be open to receiving and know that this abundance comes to you to support your life purpose, your health, and your charitable work. Organizing for success. Capricorn, it's plain and simple. This year is like the renewal of peace, laughter, new possibilities, new beginnings, hope and happiness here. And somebody put a spell on you because you're theirs. I'm just saying. And even if they're not free and available, they will make darn sure that they are for you. Look, that's the truth. This person wants to win, win, win. New beginnings, clarity, truth, a victory, success, a win. That is a yes card. Yes. They're not going to take no for an answer. Take care, Capricorn.